like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper leaf. So let's get started. First we will take a triangular paper and fold it in half. Now open it and bring this end downwards. And bring this line till this middle line. And again fold it. Now open it and do it like this way. Same way do with this side also. It will look like this way. Now fold it like this way. And stick this part. And the paper leaf is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.